position, back out about a quarter mile from the truck. I'm going to be able to sneak back into the spot that I was in earlier, which is a pretty good spot, great vantage point, and we're going to hang out and see what gets going before sundown here. There's a deer in front of us. Should watch me. So there's 3 does. One on the right and 2 on the left. I could probably take the shot, but I'd like them to come a little bit closer, and I've got some time, but I'm trying not to be a fool. I don't want to blow this. I want to walk away with the deer today, so the deer in front of me is in a pretty good position right now, which is pretty much just broadside, 100 yards out. And that sounds pretty magical, I'm sure, to most hunters. I'm just a little unsure of myself, you know. Okay. Just fired a shot. I don't even know if it's a hit or not. I tried to eject my shell and load in another round, but I didn't pull the bolt back far enough. And so when I tried to push it back in, then 2 rounds kind of got caught in there, and I was trying to figure out what was going on, and I think I hit her, but I'm not sure. We'll find out in a minute. I think I see her. There she is. Not really big, is she? Thank you, Lord. Bless me with this deer. Thank you. I thought it was a small doe, and turns out it's the world's smallest buck. I went to go start the gutting process and saw a wiener, and then these are the the world's tiniest antlers. Would like to see him, giving him the opportunity to grow up for a couple years first, but there was no way for me to know, so I'll take what I can get, and he won't go to waste. Well, just got done dragging this guy about a half mile because he had to go kind of a roundabout way to get to the truck. But it was a good day, and it turned out well. And even though he's a little guy, grateful for the experience and grateful for the meat.